Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another energy check-in for you. These are general collective readings, Sagittarius, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see, Sagittarius, what message wants to come through for you today? My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Sagittarius, welcome back my subscribers. Thank you for being here again, and thank you for all the love that you send to the channel. I'm very blessed, very grateful. Thank you so much. And Sagittarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Sagittarius, communication, center of my spread here. Okay. So I have the Magician, the Seven of Swords, the Sun card, Five of Swords, the Eight of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, and the Page of Swords. Bottom of my deck, I have the Fool card in reverse. Sagittarius, either somebody feels that their person made a fool out of them, maybe some communication happened here, they feel I've been tricked, I've been made to feel that I lost. Seven of Swords in reverse and the Five of Swords in reverse. So something backfired here. Something that could have been beautiful. Maybe it had all the makings of giving a lot of happiness, but it kind of backfired here. Maybe some communication took place about not having a new beginning or no stability. Some things have kind of stagnated, maybe in a family dynamic or a potential of having a family or marriage or commitment. I'm going to clarify all these cards and see what's really going on, Sagittarius. First, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification. So Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? And Sagittarius, if any of you are looking for a personal read, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius and their person. If they could say something, Spirit. Oops. That is too many cards. I'm sorry, I'll have to put a few back. Okay. Let's have them one by one again, Spirit. Sagittarius and their person. Sagittarius. Okay, great. So I'm going to take a few more Sagittarius from another deck. Sagittarius and their person. One more. All right, good to go, Sagittarius. No, I'm going to take two more from another deck as well. One more, and that's it. All right, so here we go. The first card here says, I tried to help you with your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. I was happy and carefree before, but you kept taking from me. You stole my heart, my love, my light, and my well-being. I'm trying to recover from this and heal myself. Somebody maybe feels that they are not being able to manifest this new beginning. Maybe they feel their person tricked them. When you told me you thought I was too good to be true, I was one of the few good and true people in your life. Next card says, I know you feel the same way. If you didn't, why would you keep in touch and get triggered when I say next lifetime? I'm a passionate sexual creature in my prime, but thanks to your continual running, I have been left burning up with fire. I can't even talk with anyone else without your sexual energy being all over me. If you want me, come and take me. My friends keep telling me I made a big mistake in letting you go. I want to fix things between us. I just don't know how to make things right at this time. My heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul because that's where you are. My desire is to have a family with you. Would you have a family with me? I'm afraid of losing you. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. So Sagis, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Sagittarius. You found it. Somebody found the person that they want. This is somebody who makes you very, very happy, right? But let's see what the but is here. All right. Magician spirit in reverse. Why is the magician in reverse here? Why is the magician in reverse? Something came to an end here. Yes, I was expecting this card somehow. In my mind, I saw this card before it slipped out. It's the King of Swords. This is a head over heart kind of a person. Very unemotional, very practical, may have said, this is not going to work out, or I have to end this. Just being, that's how the other person is feeling, that they tricked them. Things were good, things were happy, but somebody just came and said, Five of Swords in reverse. It kind of backfired on whoever was on the receiving end of this news. Because it left them feeling left out, feeling abandoned, feeling in hermit mode by themselves, and now they are thinking about all that happened. This connection did make both of you very happy. Oh, again the Five of Swords in reverse. Somebody feels this entire thing backfired on me. I had hopes and dreams of finding my happiness with this person, but the way they've come and spoken to me, or what has been said or told, almost kind of makes them feel that I lost. What's this Sun card, Spirit? What's this Sun card? Amidst all this, why is the Sun card here? This one person is still wanting this happiness, Sagittarius, still wanting this return. Even though I think it's been communicated that this thing has ended, everything is saying it's over. Even the person has probably communicated that, but somebody here is still obsessed that no, this is my happiness. This is my happiness. One day there will be a return. Still waiting for the happiness to return back to them. Even though right now, Seven of Swords in reverse again. Seven of Swords, Spirit? What's the Seven of Swords in reverse? Seven of Swords in reverse. There is no indication here of any reconciliation. There is no equal give and take. Somebody knows that right now they're on the losing end because of whatever has been communicated, but still waiting, watching, keeping an eye, and being hopeful. Eight of Wands, Spirit. Why is that in the center of my spread here? Somebody feels it's just a matter of time. Somebody feels, okay, right now things are not great. It's just a delay. There will be communication soon. Right now things are not balanced, but if I'm strong and if I am resilient, I can turn things around. Maybe by some more communication, I don't know. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. They feel sooner or later the fight will end. Yeah, that's how this person is feeling, that okay, I get what you're saying, but I know it's only a delay. We can't be over. We are meant to be happy together. Right now, yes, you're saying nothing can happen, but I'm sure that that fight will soon end. You'll see the light, and a brand new beginning will still be possible. Even though right now there's total stagnancy here, Sagittarius. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, this whoever the person is who's not making a decision, they are not opening up. They're not. Maybe there is love here, I don't know. But this person has always kept their emotions totally in check. They never move. They always are, in two minds or choosing between two directions, never really offering that commitment. So 10 of Pentacles in reverse. 10 of Pentacles in reverse. There is a lot of stagnancy here. Somebody knows. Somebody is sitting in their depression. Somebody is in their emotions, very deep emotions, feeling overwhelmed. But I don't know why I keep getting that feeling that even though nothing is on offer here, 4 of Wands in reverse, 10 of Pentacles in reverse, somebody is still waiting for one day the barriers to come down or the fight to end. Being a bit immature, I would say. Page of Swords in reverse. Page of Swords in reverse. Page of Swords in reverse. Again, oh my God. 5 of Swords again in reverse. Yes, even though right now things are not working out between the two of you here, Sagittarius, feeling like a soulmate connection gone wrong, feeling that, everything is backfiring, somebody is not willing to give up. They're still going to wait for the truth. They are not going to let this chapter end. They just don't want this chapter to end. What's this Fool card in reverse, Spirit? Why is that the center? Why is that the theme of my read for Sagittarius? What's this Fool card in reverse? Fool card in reverse is clarified by the Fool card in reverse, Sagittarius. That is no help at all, Spirit. Can I have a clarification for that, please? Okay. Okay, so somebody is a fool in love, I would say. That's all I can say. Somebody feels they're not ready to accept this no beginning or no fresh start. There is somebody madly in love even now. They have a lot of love to give. They are dreaming of their 10 of Cups one way or the other. Even though they are feeling that there is nothing on offer, they are still waiting for that message. They're still waiting for that clarity. They're still waiting for that communication from this King of Swords to say, all right, we can end this fight now, and this chapter is not, shut down yet. Somebody is still being hopeful, or I would just say at this moment, being a fool in love. This is like, I will not accept that we are not meant to be. I'm going to wait. It's going to happen. So that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.